Hello, welcome to Mama Italy Ventures or Mama Italy TV. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your own moisturizing or skin glow cake soap. Okay, this soap does a lot to your skin. It's for both face and skin. It's very good for all facial problems and skin problems. Even if you don't have any facial or skin problems, you can use it to glow your skin naturally without bleaching it. It's natural for pimples, hyperpigmentation, dark circles under eyes, sunburn, nail sunburn, stretch marks, acne, scars, dry skin, just to name them, all skin problems. But you can also use this if you want your skin to be nice and smooth. When you bath with this soap, all your stretch marks will fade, all skin blemishes. If you want smooth face, your pimples will go, your acne when you apply it on your face. Let's get started. If you're new to my channel, kindly please subscribe to my channel wherever you're watching me from. Kindly like or follow my page where you are watching me for more videos. Follow me, like my page, subscribe to my page, comment in the comment section. Okay, if you need some of the ingredients to make this soap, take the number on the screen to WhatsApp me. If you need chemical to also make it and sell or use with your family, both kids and adults can use it. Comments in the section. Comments, just write your comments, anything you need to know about this soap. Please watch to the end so you know everything that I use. Don't skip. Watch every bit and you will love it. So to get started here, I have my oils in the bowl. This is my silicone soap mode I'm going to use for my soap. My silicone soap mode. I have in here my caustic soda solution. We are making this soap from scratch. I have in here my color. Okay. I have my perfume here. That's us. Mama Italy mix natural skin essential oil. This oil here does a lot to your skin. So as we are adding this oil to this soap, it will make this soap has a lot of benefits, not like the one you know in town. This soap this oil is very good for stretch marks, all skin problems, dark knuckles, dark armpits, dark inner thighs. Mo a mo nan ntam ayɛ tuntum tuntum no soap we mu yɛ bi dware ɛbɛkɔ, ma mo twam ayɛ tuntum. All hyperpigmentation, acne. So if I add this oil, this soap is not like the normal soap in the market. It has a lot of benefit for your skin. I will add in here sodium silicate to it. It makes the soap hard, foams very, very well. I will add my glycerin as a moisturizer to my soap. I can't wait to try this soap on my skin. I know you can also wait to try it. So I will add in my oil here. Sorry, I will add my color. This is color. Then I'm going to stir it, okay? After I have added in my color, you can use any color of your choice. Green, blue, yellow, pink, white. I'm using this orange color. So now after adding my color, next to add is my perfume. I have already measured them, okay? I have measured them. It's my perfume. Next to add is my mixed skin essential oil. This oil, you have to get some very, very good. You can't do without this oil. If not, you won't get the benefit. Fade your stretch marks. Okay. So I'll give it a good stir. So after stirring it, I'm going to add in my caustic water solution and stir it to be smooth and nice to form a trace. After that, I'll add in my sodium silicate. Then to stir, then after I'll add in my glycerin, then pour it here inside my silicone soap mode. I hope you are enjoying. If this is your first time, kindly subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Kindly follow me or like my page. You can also comment which video you want me to do for you again in the comment section. If you want me to do liquid so any product you want me to do, just write in the comment section. Take the number on the screen. If you want some of the chemicals to also do your soap like this, we do delivery nationwide, anywhere you are. So I'm going to start after pouring in my caustic soda. I'm stirring it. Use plastic bowl to make this soap. I'm using plastic spoon to stir as well. Don't use aluminium. Wow, this soap is going to be nice. Wear your gloves. Ask any question you want to know about this in the comment section. You can take my WhatsApp number, the number on the screen, to WhatsApp me. So it has mixed very well. I'm adding my sodium silicate, then my glycerin. I'm going to give it a good stir. Wow, this is very nice. Can't wait. I can't wait to try this on my skin to glow your skin natural. This soap don't bleach. It's natural, okay? So everything has mixed proper, mixed it well, stir very well. Don't forget you are making skin glow or moisturizing bathing cake soap. This is not like the normal soap in the market. It has a lot of benefit for your skin. Now let's pour them inside our silicone soap mold. I saw some of the mold as well, different size, different types and designs. So you are pouring them into the mold. You see how nice the soap is. Beautiful. Beautiful soap. So after pouring your soap, you shake it so that every air trap in will go and form the shape. Okay. Beautiful. Wow. I got one extra here. So you are going to leave this soap for 5 hours to be hard and you remove it. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, ask any question you want to know about this soap making. Take the number on the screen and WhatsApp me to get everything to produce. This is a way to also empower you to start your soap making business. There is money in it. You can do and sell for money. I'll teach you how to do all the packaging. Okay, you can as well do and use with your family. Won't you be happy you do your own soap to bath at home with your kids and your family, your husband, your loved ones? Bye bye.